Christy from Dogwood City, Texas, has a question about heated floors.
You know all about Texas.
What?
So many great town names. Dogwood,
Mars, Paris, orange, yellow, lemon, whatever.
Lemonwood, yeah.
Lemonwood.
Anyway, Christy, she says she's planning on building a new home. Okay, so she writes to us and says, I would prefer a pier and beam home. However, I really want hydronic radiated heat floors, the radiant heat floors.
Sure.
My goal, she says, is to have a house that's extremely energy efficient. Christy wants to know, would that be counterproductive to have those floors and be energy effective?
It would be counterproductive in this part of the country to put the initial cost into it, because you're going to have a central air and heat anyway. So now we have redundancy in systems, and you're going to be spending thousands of dollars not to make it energy efficient. It'll be very comfortable, but it's going to be very expensive on the front side. So that's where you have to weigh your budgets and if you really want to spend that kind of money. And that's why people don't down here. It doesn't make sense in the beginning when you do that. Now, I've put them in people's bathrooms, master baths, and things like that, just because it's a special room and it's a small area, and that would make sense.
Sure.
But on pier and beam, you can use those type of systems. In fact, if you go up north where you have lived before and I have lived many years.
Even Chris has lived up there.
Even Chris
Our
over there
producer
has
here
lived
off
there.
camera.
We have basements. And you will see those systems put in homes now on the first floor, and you'll go in the basement and you'll see all the tubing and stuff. So it's used quite a bit in areas where heating is really all people care about, and air conditioning, which I did not have in my Lake Placid house.
Right.
We had fans in the summer, but that was it.
When I moved here in 1985, I brought a black Rabbit GTI without air conditioning, because that's just how you bought them in Vermont.
That's a car, by the way, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah. Most people know that. Okay.
Not necessarily. I haven't heard GTI in a long time.
Right.
But anyway, as far as that goes, you got to weigh the benefits of the money at the beginning. It won't make it more energy efficient, just more comfortable, really, if you have a cold winter.
Well, you know what? I'm going to take umbrage with a little bit of the way you said that, and that is, when you say take money at the beginning, I think you have to think about it at the end. You know, how long are you going to be in that house if you're going to spend that kind of money? So really,
and you'll get it back on the sale and all kinds of things.
You can do it for your pleasure and for the appreciation of the buyer next time around, because you won't get your money back.
That's true. You won't.
So this is the voice of experience.
Yes, it is.
Believe me.
The man who bought a car with no air conditioning and moved to Texas.
I've made several home buyers very happy.
There you go.
Okay. All right. If you want to be happy with answers, send us your questions at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer them here. You can also see more of our answers over here on the side, and subscribe to our channel too. That'd be right nice of you.